To begin the customer import process, prepare a spreadsheet containing all the desired customer information. Start by opening an Excel workbook and formatting the cells as text. If the spreadsheet is not formatted properly, there is a chance that the data you enter may be automatically altered by the spreadsheet before it is imported. If you are importing new customers, each row containing a customer record must be assigned a unique customer ID. On your spreadsheet, create a column for the customer ID along with any other fields you want to import, such as first name, last name, company, address, phone number, email, or other fields listed in the Import Manager. If you are using the import to update customer records that already exist in your store, use the current customer ID in the Customer ID column. Once complete, save the spreadsheet in a .xlsx format. To begin importing, expand the Utilities header under the Administration section of the Navigator. Then select Import Manager. Using the drop-down menu, select Customers as the data type to be imported. Click the Browse button to locate the spreadsheet you wish to import. Once your spreadsheet is selected, each of your column headers will be listed on the right side of the Import Manager. All of the customer fields that are available to import are listed on the left side. If your spreadsheet contains column headers, be sure to check the box First Row is Header. This tells Evo to ignore the header row while importing. Now you can map your spreadsheet's information to the desired field in Evo. Select the field name from Evo on the left and double-click the matching header name from the spreadsheet on the right to map the data. You can also select the matching fields in each column and press Add to Map. If your column headers from your spreadsheet match the field names in Evo, you can use the Auto Map by Name feature and Evo will automatically map the data for you. If the columns on the spreadsheet appear in exactly the same order as the columns listed on the left, select Map All Direct, and the columns will be automatically mapped starting at the top. If there is a common field that you want to add for all of the customer records being imported, and the information is not in your spreadsheet, you can use the Add Static Text option. For example, if I want all of my customers that I am importing to have the same AR credit limit, I can select Credit Limit from the list on the left side, then enter the amount in the static text field, and then click on Add Static Text. You can see the mapped data for each column being used will appear next to the field in italics. If there are duplicate entries found during the import, Evo can be told to either skip the duplicate rows or overwrite them automatically. If you want to manage these scenarios manually, select the option that says Prompt, and a pop-up message will give you the option to either skip or overwrite the data whenever a duplicate is found. Be sure to specify one of these options before starting your import. When you are ready to start the import, click Do Import. Before the import is attempted, POSIM will remind you to take a backup of your database. Select Backup Now to begin the backup process. If you are not ready to do the import, press Cancel. If you have already taken a backup and wish to skip this backup process, press Continue Without Backup. Due to the large number of changes being made, we always recommend taking a backup before doing an import. A progress bar will be displayed while records are being imported. After the import is finished, a message will appear letting you know that the import is complete. If there were any problems during the import, you will be provided a list of the errors along with any information on how to correct them. After the import has completed, spot check your data to verify the information. Check one or more of the customers by opening the customer card under the Sales section of the Navigator. Locate any of the customer cards that were imported and verify the imported fields. Thank you for tuning in to this POSIM Evo video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to POSIM Tech Support by phone, email, or chat with us on our website.